Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. In Shibuya, where many musical instrument stores are lined up, Kurosawa Musical Instruments G Club Shibuya has a particularly large presence. It is highly popular as a comprehensive guitar shop that takes advantage of the vast space, but it has been reborn as a shop with a high level of expertise due to the renewal in February of this year. Here, including the contents of the renewal, we will once again approach the appeal of G Club Shibuya. Please like, share, and subscribe. Kurosawa Gaki G Club Shibuya is popular among many users alike and amateurs in Shibuya-ku, Tokyo, a fierce battleground for musical instrument stores. As the concept of complete guitar shop suggests, it has a wide lineup of guitar, bass manufacturers from Japan and abroad with a total of 7 floors, easy access to a 5-minute walk from Junior Shibuya Station, and a high level of reliability with a repairman on hand. Originally, G Club Shibuya was very popular for its comprehensive assortment of complete guitar shops, but with this renewal, we also pursued a higher level of expertise. There are many good musical instrument stores in Shibuya, and it is natural in a sense that there are good products among them, and there are customers who come to see them. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. At our store, we want to go one step further and be a place where you can enjoy the store itself, such as if you come to G Club Shibuya, you can meet some interesting instruments and listen to stories. The current floor configuration is divided into 7 parts. Bass Center Shibuya, which specializes in bass, traditional guitar floor, which mainly handles manufacturers such as Gibson, Gretsch, and Tokai, floors specializing in accessories, strings, and small amplifiers, metal, high-end guitar floors centered on PRS, Fender-based Fender floors, acoustic ukulele floors that also handle classical guitars and ukuleles, and Martin guitar floors, where Kurosawa Musical Instruments serves as an import agent. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. They also have a solid repair booth in the store. There are many live houses in Shibuya, and I think there are many players who want to make a little adjustment before the performance. At the store, they can make adjustments on the spot and can respond so that you don't have to wait as much as possible. It doesn't matter if it's a trivial thing, so please feel free to come to the store. G Club Shibuya's Bass Floor Bass Center. In addition to the extensive lineup of top manufacturers MTD, it also boasts a wide lineup of domestic brands such as Fender, Atelier Z, Bacchus, and Sugi, as well as brands handled by Sleek Elite Dingwall, F-Bass, Ken Smith, etc. T. There are many individuals with uniqueness at the forefront, and MTD takes advantage of its strength as an import agent to offer a wide selection of shop orders. And there are many products with specifications that cannot be found anywhere else for domestic brands. Fender has the impression that there are more custom shops than other stores, and it is interesting that JW Black products are displayed nearby. We asked Mr. Sego, the floor manager, about his commitment. Thank you for watching. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below.